Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stocks of USA, UK and Canada. And I also share my daily analysis on the important forex currency pairs. And I'm just doing this video from the comfort of my home, so sorry for not having a professional setup. Okay. I even do not get time to edit the videos. I even do not replay the videos also. I just record the videos and simply upload it. You can see the tab here. After recording it, I simply upload it. Okay. And this is the canva.com where I make the thumbnails. Anyways, jokes apart, today I'll be telling you a list of stocks or six stocks that you need to keep your eyes on today, and the date is 25th Feb 2021 Thursday. So this analysis is for 25th Feb 2021 only. Okay, so let's jump into the chart. The first stock is Visa. Okay, so and we can see on the screen that Visa has made a big bullish green candle yesterday. Okay, this is a daily time frame chart. Okay, big bullish green candle yesterday, and it has a resistance at this level only 2220. Okay, so today's uh, best position to buy this stock will be above 220 levels. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and place the buy order for Visa, then it will be 221. Okay, not before that. If the stock opens below 221 level, let it trade. Okay, that will be your no trading zone. Let the stock trade above 221 level comfortably. Just remember the word comfortably. Okay, it should trade above this particular resistance zone. Okay, let the resistance become the support, then only you can go ahead and place the buy order. Okay, that will be your best area of value. Okay, so buy call for Visa above 221. Okay, and the next stock is JP Morgan. On a daily time frame, it has made a good green candle. Okay, so what do you need to do for JP Morgan? Or you can see that I have marked this level. Okay, JP Morgan's buy call is at 153 point, 154. Okay, this is the resistance level. Let JP Morgan cross or stay above 153.9 level. Okay, if it opens below 153.8 level, suppose it opens at 153 or 153.5, then you should not trade. Let the stock come down to this particular point. If it reverses from there also, you do not need to short the market, because overall the trend of the stock is up. Okay, it's an uptrend and it is not wise to go against the trend. Okay, so just wait for the perfect time when the stock crosses the resistance zone. Okay, once it crosses the resistance level, then you can go ahead and place the buy order. Before that, no buy order. And if it crosses this level only, sorry, if it crosses this level, let the stock stay above the resistance level. Okay, let the stock trade for at least 15 to 20 minutes above this level, then only go ahead and place the buy order. Okay, let the support resistance become the support. That's the simple concept. No trade here in between this zone. Okay, only buy above 153.9. Next stock is Intel. uh, Beautiful clean uptrend, but there is a resistance at this level of 63.3, so only buy above 63.34. Okay, this is the level you need to keep your eyes on it. If today it opens above 63.3, then just wait for the market to settle down for 15-20 minutes or 30 minutes. Okay, after 30 minutes, just see where the market is trading. If the stock opens here and starts coming down, and if it takes support at this particular level and bounces from here, that is also a good point for buy. In case it opens here and starts going up, it crosses this level, then you can go ahead and buy. Okay, just make sure that the price is being supported by volume. Volume is important. Okay, if there is a breakout, okay, then buy. If opens above 63.3 level, okay, then just wait for the first 15-20 minutes, 30 minutes, okay, just see how the market is reacting. Okay, if it is, if after a gap up open, if it starts coming down to the 63.3 level, you can grab the stock there also, but just make sure it reverses from here. Suppose if you see that, suppose it opened at 64 and starts coming down with big red candles, you should not go ahead and place the buy order at 63.3. Okay, confirmation is important. Okay. The next stock is Oracle. You can see that Oracle is right now trading in a particular range, and the range is 64 and 65.20, 65.2 and 64. Okay, this is your no trading zone. Okay, you should not trade between this zone. If it crosses 65.2, then it's a buy, but before that, no trading zone. If it crosses 64 level, then also you can go ahead and short the market, but that will be risky. I'll say that if you have got a good risk appetite, then short it. Otherwise, wait for the stock to cross 65.2, then only go ahead and place a buy order. Keep your eyes on this stock. Okay. When it crosses 65.2, thumbs up. Next stock is ExxonMobil. Beautiful uptrend yesterday. So today's strategy is very simple. Okay. If it opens in between this range, okay, you should not trade because there is a resistance at 57. Let the stock cross the 57 level, then only it's a buy for you. If it opens above 57 level, okay, then wait for the first 30 minutes, 45 minutes or 1 hour. Okay, if it opens, just see how the market is reacting after with the opening of the market. Okay, during the first initial hours you should not trade, probably you know it well. Okay, you should uh, wait for the market to settle down, let the market settle down for 45 minutes, 1 hour, then you see how the market is reacting. If market is going up from there, and if you see a breakout like this, you can go ahead and buy. Okay. If after gap up open, if it starts coming down and if it reverses from here or bounces from here, then also you can buy. Okay, and if it opens between this range or below this level, below 57, then wait for it to cross 57 level. Before that, no trade. The next stock and the last stock is AVGO Broadcom. Okay, for Broadcom I'll be switching to the 1 day time frame. You can see that after this price rejection day for yesterday, it has made a beautiful green candle tomorrow. Okay, so LTP is 480.88, last traded price 480.88. So today's buy call will be above 481. Okay, if it opens below 481 level, do not trade, wait for the stock to cross 481 level, then only buy. If it opens above 481, if you wait for 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, just see how the stock is reacting. If it is going up from 481 level after the gap up open, go buy. If it starts coming down, wait for the stock to reverse or bounce from 481 level, then buy. Okay, so 481 level is the decisive level for Broadcom today. Okay. So this is the analysis for today. Hopefully you all have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, then please like the video and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, because I bring market analysis just before the market opens every day. Okay. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much and good luck.